Today we are going to understand that how we can host our website using a free domain name and a free hosting provider. So here I am going to get my free domain name from freenom.com and I will use my free hosting from Linode using its $100 free plan for beginners. So first of all we have to go to freenom.com. Here Freenom.com is a website where they give us free domain name with .tk.ml and different domain extensions. First of all, we have to sign in. I am going to use Google account. After login, it redirects us to the client area. In the client area, you will see the services option and my domain option. So here I have all these domains for free and I'm going to add a new. So register a new domain in the services section. You have to go in the services section. Here we have to click register a new domain. Here we can check our new domain. I'm going to get the sos.tk. Let's check is it available or not. So sos.ncc.tk is available. .ml is also free. .ga is a free. .cf, .gq, but the premium domain names have some price as you can see here. So we are going to take the sos.ncc.tk, select checkout. Now by default it is free for 3 months, but if you choose a 1 year plan then also it is free. For more than 12 months you have to pay for it also. So we are going to take the maximum time which is for free. So 12 months free. Continue. So it's loading. So we have to agree with the term and conditions. As here you can see sos.ncc.tk with 0 USD complete order. In Freenom, you don't have any need to add your card. You just have to create your account, and you can get your free domain easily. So here we get our domain. Click here to go to your client area. Again, click on services section. Go to my domains. Once you register domain, you can easily see it in your my domain section. Go to manage domain. management tools, name servers. So first, before creating a CPU in our Linode, we have to edit our name servers. So as you can see, the name servers here, you have to update the name server. First of all, we should learn that what is the name server of Linode. So name server of Linode. Uh, it is Linode name servers, DNS manager. Here you can find the name servers. First of all, you have to direct your domain name to the name server, and once you direct your domain to the name server, your Linode will automatically understand that this is your website. So we are going to copy it. Control V, to change name servers. Usually it takes around 1 minute to 24 hours. So you have to wait for 1 day to update it. But usually it updates get updates in within 15 minutes. So you have to not worry about it. Now our Freenom work has done. We have to go to our Linode and log into the linode.com. Log in into your account. I already have an account. Actually, Linode offers free $100 balance for its customers who add their credit card. If you go, so here this is my main panel. If you go in the information section, so here the promotion, as you can see here, that code is due for $100. The promotion value expires 60 days from redemption. uh, and I use that. Whenever you add your card for first time in Linode, you will get $100 for it, with which you have to use within 60 days. And after 60 days, you can go with a paid plan. So now I am going to my Linode, click on create marketplace. This tutorial is for WordPress. Uh, so in the marketplace section, select app. WordPress is in the top because WordPress is the most used website builder nowadays. Select WordPress, go in email address, which is a required field. Enter your email address, admin username. What will be the admin username of your website? So here I am using browser. Admin password. So MySQL root password, which is also required. WordPress database password. So this is your website title. This is the default title. You can change it later. So my website title is SOS. A limited pseudo user, you don't need it. All other things you don't need them. Subdomain, non domain is necessary. So here I am going to mention my domain, which is SOS image. I am going to use Debian 11. You can choose whatever you want. Region. Choose the region which is nearest to your audience so that your website get load easily to your audience. So my audience is in India, so I'm going to choose the Mumbai data center. This is your Linode plan. You can see the cost and your dedicated servers. I'm going to choose a shared CPU, which is which will cost me $5 per month. It is time for Linode label. The Linode label is the label which you will see here in your ma- in your manage panel. This will be your once your hosting will get created. You will see your domain, your label here. So your whole website will be identified by your label in the Linode. So here it is. I'm going to name it. You can't give space between the characters, so I'm using underscore. Add title. You can choose any title, or you can create them. Root password. I don't need it. And I'm address. Backup. $2 per month for backup. I don't need them. Simply create Linode. They are saying that the root password we have to provide it. So I'm going to write it. So we write it also. Now create Linode. Your Linode is get created. Right now it is in the provisioning. So this is your IP version 4. This is your IP version 6. This is your SSH. This is your list console via SSH. I have a hosting plane which have one CPU core and 1 GB RAM. Here you can see the different information about your hosting, storage, and different configurations. Now come to the management panel. So now we have created our hosting. It usually get started in around 24 hours. So you have to wait for 24 hours. Within 24 hours, it will definitely get created. So let me check. So here, as you can see, it is not created yet, but definitely within 24 hours it get created. So thank you for watching. Once I will get once our hosting will start, I will explain that how you can upload your WordPress website on your Linode hosting. So thank you for watching. That's it. Thank you very much.